already got the 5-pack of 1/2-inch Irrigation T-connectors. I found that buying a 5-pack was easier on the wallet than buying a 1-pack. And I've already hooked one of them up, and I'll show you that, no leaking. These are gonna be for 1/2-inch hose right here, just to show you in comparison to a regular garden hose, which is a little bit bigger. You know, it's up to you how you want to apply this. You might want to use thread tape on there, you might not. I found that when you go to put these connectors on, any of these types of connectors, you know, obviously you're going to want to put this over the hose first so that the threads are facing in here. You're going to have to force this on by hand, wiggle it back and forth, whatever you have to do. There you go. And you just screw it on. It gets pretty tight because of these flanges on here. One of the things I did to help me out here is I put a little shot of WD-40 on the threads, and I did have to use some channel locks to tighten it all the way down. I don't know if it needs to be flush down here like it is here, but I used channel locks and flushed it down on everything that I did. And let me show you right here. There it is in use. I have no leakage whatsoever. It is starting to rain. I'm using this hose as a pressure regulator, and I've got water flowing full through my hose here, working great. I've got these drippers set up to different types of velocity on the head speed. Like that's a little mister there. There's a vortex, but yeah, absolutely works. Pretty awesome. T-connectors work great. I got a 5-pack.